Guys, it's JR, the PC Surgeon. I was just showing you this custom system that came in. I didn't build this. The customer's friend gave it to him when he upgraded his system. I'm not sure exactly what's all in it, but it came in with a dead power supply. That's that black piece right here. I've already got it pretty much pulled out. I'm going to put a new one in, and I'll stop the video, put the new one in, and show it boot. And this is on desktops when you have a no power issue, when you're not getting any fans turning, lights, or really no action at all. Usually it's the power supply. It could be the motherboard or something else like a power switch, but a lot of times it's the power supply. And I've already diagnosed it with a test power supply, put it in there, and it booted. So that's all we need to do on this one. And this one, depending on the cost of the power supply, if you want something real nice, it can get up towards, 70, $100, whatever you want in there. There's also cheaper ones you can do for 45, and then the labor is 45. So you're looking at like a minimum about $90 for this repair. And I'll be back and show the new one installed. All right, there you have it. There's the new one in. And I got the sides of the case on now, and I just got to put the top on and boot it up. And I'll be right back. Show you the back here. There's the back. Alright, so here it is, all booted up, brand new power supply. And you see that I got the front panel here working that shows the Celsius, the degrees in Celsius. You got the power light and HDD light going there. CD drive works, DVD drive. And he's good to go, all back together. There you have it. Back in business. Thanks for watching, guys.